We were just wondering to ask one question.
Yes.
Where this, maybe you know where this idea came that this place is like
David.
named
Stone.
on a stone.
Yeah, I mean, the developer, the individual that made the neighborhood, loves the country of Estonia, has been there. Supposedly, I've never been there, but the streets are named after streets in Estonia. That's how much he loves the country of Estonia. He vacations, he owns property in Estonia.
Even.
Okay. We thought that maybe some Estonian who lived, for instance, a few years ago in Estonia is related somehow to this development, but...
No, he may have relatives there. I don't know. I've never personally met him, but that's what I was told is the individual that made the whole neighborhood loves Estonia that much that
Crazy.
he did all of this.
Good taste.
Yeah, good taste. Yeah, for us it was. Now, he is in Tallinn, restaurant owner, and the restaurant is called Texas.
Really?
Yes, Texas Honky Tonk.
Texas Hockey Tonk
Yeah,
in
so this
Estonia?
is, yes, in Tallinn. This is the capital of Estonia.
Very nice.
So there is some kind of mental match with those
Yeah.
guys.
So,
You guys.
I've been here many times, so I come to Texas every year.
Okay.
And every year I've been driving around here and thinking and talking to my friends, well, how did it happen? But no answer. Now I got it.
Yeah, that's what we are told is that
How many inhabitants you have in this area? I mean, approximately when everything is sold.
when
Oh, man.
everything is sold and finished out, which should be probably by the end of this year. I think we're going to be just under 600 total.
600. Okay, not much, but still. And this area is considered as a good location, or I mean, in generally.
Absolutely. This is the number one best-selling side of San Antonio, the corridor, northwest. The school districts with the right up the street here, some of the best schools in San Antonio. So, very highly desirable location. Yes.
For younger families, especially.
I cannot pronounce and retirees. Like, for instance, how do you pronounce
We will
this?
Jõgeva. Actually, this is O with the roof, and it's pronounced like U, not O, U, or
You
U.
know how we pronounce it?
Yeah.
Jogiva.
Okay. The correct pronouncement would be Jõgeva.
Yugava?
Jõgeva. Try it.
Yugava?
Jõgeva.
Yogeva.
Jõgeva. That would be correct.
Yogeva.
Jõgeva.
Okay.
Okay. Keila. We call it Keila.
Keila?
Keila.
Kinu?
Kihnu. Kihnu.
Kinu.
Kihnu.
Kinu.
Kihnu. This Kihnu is a small, unique island.
Really?
In the Baltic seas, yes. There is one lady living who's a Estonian legend. Like, she sings and stuff and all national stuff on all the time. Lahemaa. Lahemaa.
Is that Lahima?
Lahemaa.
Lahima is almost.
This is
It's
a
the way
national-
GPS pronounce it.
This is a natural resource.
Mm-hmm.
No buildings, nothing. Only some small saunas can be allowed there, and
So it's like a wilderness area?
yes.
Wow.
So it's nothing to do with the street name. Now
Nature.
Ingram, maybe this is
Well, this is actually-
lower or whatever.
This is local,
It's nothing to do.
Yeah, this is local. And then there's Loska Green, Vormis.
No,
Via.
this one,
Loska, by the
one.
way, is misspelled.
This is
Oh,
his
really?
name.
Yeah.
It should be
This
Loksa.
and this and
And this
here.
is Loksa is on the north coast of Estonia. It's a very, very beautiful area of little town, let's say, mostly habitated during the summertime, from the start of May till the end of September. This is like where the people live on the summertime, and it's 40 kilometers from Tallinn, 25 miles.
Right.
Okay, our country as such.
Like I say, sir, we to each his own in a sense. You know what I mean? I have my beliefs like everybody else does. It's just human nature in a sense.
Right.
Yeah.
And I tell people all the time, especially when I work at my other job, you're under the light all the time. It's criticism, and you got to kind of understand that it comes with the territory in a sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So my dad taught me that. So I just go along with it though.
Good.
Okay. Well, did y'all want to look at the dessert menu or know about our dessert?
Yes.
Yeah.
getting hard.
Estonia.
Estonia!
So we are from Estonia.
Wonderful. What are you doing here? I don't.
I was just having a meal.
Just celebrating my
just
birthday.
came in
Just
from
came.
Estonia
Yeah.
to Marathon.
Why not to celebrate your birthday in Texas?
We're having
Sorry, sir. 47 candies.
This is just a one great candle.
It would be like a...
I have seen the morning burning golden on the mountain in the sky. Aching with the feeling of the freedom of an eagle when she flies. Turning on the world the way she smiled upon my soul as I lay dying. Healing as the colors in the sunshine and the shadows.
Tukkati, raakkana lapsit. Siinä vaan minna. Sillä teeb jõu ja elu numbreid.